Mnangagwa threatens to weed out malcontents in Zanu PF. The 30th of August 2025, by a correspondent, President and Zanu PF, First Secretary Emerson Mnangagwa, has issued a stern warning to ruling party members, vowing to crush dissent and purge those he described as disruptive elements. Addressing Zanu PF's 386th Ordinary Session of the Politburo in Harare on Wednesday, Mnangagwa declared, "Tactics and political chicanery meant to mislead, confuse, as well as divide the party and nation must be nipped in the bud. We must all speak with one voice and march in one direction." His remarks come amid mounting tensions and reports of factionalism, threatening to tear through the party ahead of key political milestones. Mnangagwa emphasized the importance of absolute loyalty, warning leaders against straying from agreed party positions. Leaders of the party are bound by collective responsibility and must unite around party decisions and resolutions which serve as ideological and moral compass, he said. The tone of his address points to an intensifying crackdown on internal critics, signaling that those unwilling to toe the party line could soon face serious consequences.